Hello Tribers! Welcome to February. New world, new year awaits, and we have for you two incredible characters that can join your collection. Werewolf Vampire Hunter. Feral hunter straddling the line between man and monster, clad in leather armor, etched with occult sigils. Silver-lined weapons hang at his sides, and his eyes burn with a predator's focus sharpened by bitter experience. Cursed with the beast's blood, yet sworn to hunt creatures of the night, he stalks moonlit ruins and fog-choked streets alike. Brutal, relentless, and driven by grim purpose, this figure is perfect for gothic campaigns where every victory comes at a terrible personal cost. Protodeka. A squat, heavily armored combat platform built low to the ground, resembling a predatory machine crouched before a strike. Its broad, angular chassis is plated in matte grey armor, scarred and functional rather than decorative. From the front central sensory model with a narrow red luminous viewfinder, a cold, impersonal eye scaling the battlefield. Become a tribe member. And each month you'll get two exclusive characters. One, a sci-fi hero. Second, the fantasy legend. Check the link down below to get your tribe. You enjoy our miniatures? Then hype this video and subscribe to see what comes next.